we've got the oil dipstick over here. And you can pull this out, and we're going to wipe it off, and we'll put it back in.
It's the long dipstick.
Yeah. Oil level's right in the middle.
Yep.
It's our first oil change. Ooh-wee. Just got about nearly 5,000 on it. It takes 8 quarts of oil with the filter. So, yeah, we're going to change the oil today for the first time.
And if you had to bring the oil level up, here is the cap.
Cap's on this side over here.
Is it? Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
So it's hiding out on the driver's side.
Yeah, and you just twist the cap. And these take 0.20 motor oil. It says right here on the cap, 0.20.
Yep.
We're going to leave this off because we're doing the oil change.
But typically you would put the funnel in there, get a quart of oil, slowly add it in. You know, check your marking on your dipstick as it comes up. It's easier to add a little more than to take some out, so, you know?
Yeah,
so add a little until you get up to the proper level on your dipstick, and make sure you're within range. And that's how you would check the oil level fluid on your Chevy Tahoe. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any comments, leave a question, and I will reply back to you.